Where'd he go? Sunday, October 6th, 2019. Got another one of my pet snakes out here somewhere. Where'd he go? He was here a minute ago. Let's see if I can find him. All right. I don't know where he went. Better things to do than... Alright, well, I lost my snake. Maybe he'll turn up. Just kind of hoping I can get a little shot of him here, but... I went in and got my camera pretty quick, but maybe under this box. It's probably like the best hiding spot for him. Mr. Blacksnake, can't find him. And there's that's probably one of my biggest sugar canes. And again, I got these started really late, and look at that thing's like 7.5 feet tall, and it's got a lot of seeds, or it's going to have a lot of seeds on there. And I guess we got to do an update on my seeds. Look, oh look, there's a little, that's one of the branches that had the seeds on it. And there's like got little leaves coming back on that. This is one of the little branches that had the seeds on it. But it's got these 2 new shoots coming out too, so this thing's not really slowing down or dying. Again, Bambusa vulgaris does not die after it seeds. I read somewhere that the one culm that it makes seeds on will die, but even that doesn't appear to have happened yet, because there's where the seeds were. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I know that's where the seeds were because there's little pieces of the husk still there. And that one hasn't died yet. It might die. I don't know. It's got a little leaf shooting on there. I don't know. But tried to make seeds. I don't think any of them got pollinated or filled out very well. They didn't. They just didn't mature for some reason. But the clone is still growing. So that's a cloned bamboo. That's one of my clones. There's the top where it was cut off. And it's doing fine. It's in the ground. Tried to make some seeds and still growing. October. And then these ones down here, this is my last batch of Sinicus. These are from around the 27th of September. And there's 2 in that pot. That's got its second. That's got 2 shoots. That one's got 2 shoots. This one's still only got 1. Oh wait, no, it's got a second one starting right there. So all of those are on their second shoot. These second shoots doing good. That one's got a lot of chlorosis. That happens a lot on these. There you go, you can see that. And these are all polymorphas that are doing really good. These 5 here. There's a Asper S1 I can see I got labeled there. There's another Asper S1. Okay, so I got those 2 there, and then I did these 1, 2, 3. So I got 6 of those. I just potted those up last night. I was looking for them. But good idea to label things. Get you one of those paint pens, and you can put a label on the side, and then when you want to change it, you can rub that off and relabel. There's Peanut. What are you doing, Peanut? What are you looking for? You hunting lizards? Or lizards hunting you? You don't know. So, and I got a ton of peppers on here. I got so many peppers. I can't even eat all these peppers or make them all into sauce. I get so many. That plant's probably on its way out, so I should try to get some more. Actually, I got a couple more pepper plants started around here somewhere. I just got to get them in that bag. And my vulgaris clumps out there. There's a new shoot in there. I can't. Or wait, where is it? Oh yeah, it is. It's way up there. So there's a new shoot in there that's still growing, barely started branches yet, and it'll probably top out at about 30 feet. I'd say those ones there are probably 25 foot or so right now. So those are doing good. Look at her trying to sneak out there. She's trying to push that wire. She's trying to climb out. That's how she hurt her leg the first time. She's got a torn knee. You trying to sneak out there? She used to be able to jump over this fence before she screwed her knee up. Yeah, you hurt your knee, didn't you? You're going to have to go get a surgery. Yeah. You better knock it off, girlie. Get over here.